everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and I had a request from my daughter to do her Halloween nail tips, and I figured while I do the design, I will go ahead and record it and let you watch me work on her nails. So her request was she wanted the nails to look like she had dipped them in poison, and she also wanted some glow in the dark and things that glow under black light. So I started out, everything is done with gel. I started out with a black base, and I started with the dipping portion design here in white, because then I wanted to go over with a neon green. This is the one that I used. And so this will glow, the green will glow under the black light or the UV light. So I went over it with the white, and also this will make it pop. I love this green color, guys, and this Azuri mix. I know Evie from the Nail Junkie, she uses a lot of Azuris and Mappies gels to draw with, and look at this formula, it does not go anywhere. So I did 3 of the tips, 3 out of the 5 to look like this, like they have the poison dipped, and then I went over with Emily's glow in the dark. I believe this is 067, since it is somewhat sheer. Oh, and then when I applied this over that green, it almost looked like cute. I was like, well, and even more perfect for Halloween. But yeah, because this has the sheer, and there it is, the 3 nails glowing. Now I know it's not very obvious, but remember it's a very thin layer of the glowing polish over 2 other colors. And then one of the nails, I figured I wanted to do something. She also wanted purple in there. She wanted red and black, you name it. She wanted it all. So I figure I went with this holographic chameleon glittery flakies for the night as a backdrop, and then I went ahead and created a glow in the dark moon. And to make this really pop, I used both the Polish and She Modern's glow in the dark powder. And this plate right here, I'm sorry, I missed the stamping over the nail, but yes, that's the portion of the stamp image that I put on the tip of the nail. And then I picked one of the bats here from this old Westonia stamping plate and put it over the moon. Then I used She Modern's red pigment gradient powder over my black nail to create a gradient. Her dress, the dress that she's wearing, well, it's not so much of a costume, but it's a red and black dress that she's wearing, kind of with like the black corset and some red lace, I believe. Yes, so that's what inspired this nail here. It is it's somewhat gothic, so yeah, talk about it, mix match of nails here. And here is Scully showing the nails for you, and of course I had to put them over my nails. They are sized for my daughter, not for me, but I thought I'll let you see them for photos. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching. Happy Halloween, y'all.